Assalamualaikum everyone. We are back with another episode of Drama Log with Sunny and Sana. Okay, so you guys want to move on to like Ghair? Yes. It's all our team
haven't
now.
watched Ghair, so yes.
Oh my gosh, you guys should watch it, okay? Yo,
मुझे
so
उष्णा शाह बड़ी अच्छी लगती थी एक जमाने में. उष्णा शाह बड़ी अच्छी लगती थी मुझे. उनका कैनेडियन एक्सेंट में जो वो बात करती हैं, वो शादी हो गई उनकी फिर अब नहीं लगती. अब उतनी प्यारी नहीं लगती. सोच लगाना तू किसी गैर की हो गई है तो वो गैर की ही हो गई है. उतनी प्यारी नहीं.
So this drama is written by Zanjabil Asim. I cannot remember the director though. Anyways, so are you guys there? Yeah.
GG, we're listening.
Okay. Yeah. So basically, there's Ushna, Osama Khan, Adil Hussain. Okay. Then there's like a bunch of like older people, like the like popular faces, like Babar Ali's there. Then there's another one who was in Sono Chanda. And all these like, a dada dadi. So what happens? So basically the story is that there's a dada dadi, okay? They have 4 kids, 2 girls and 2 boys, okay? So the two sons, one son gets married to a girl who had an affair with another man who was a doctor before her marriage, but then somehow she gets married to Babar Ali, who is the son of this grandparents. And then what happens later is that like, what happens? So, the man that she had liked, he gets engaged to Babar Ali's sister, which is the girl in the family, right? The 2 daughters, right? So he gets engaged to her, and then she sees them like talking. Uska naam hai Tehreem, okay? The girl that he's engaged to. So she sees the doctor and Babar Ali's wife talking in the living room, and then she accuses them of like, कि इनका affair चल रहा है, and then Babar Ali divorces her, and then she gets married to the guy जिसको like करती थी पहले से, like the doctor, and so she gets married to him, and उसकी बेटी भी होती है 2 years old, and कहता है कि I don't want anything to do with my daughter either, you should take her. So in the meantime, like there's Tehreem, right? There's another daughter, Sabah Hamid, that's Tehzeeb, okay? So Tehzeeb is married to Wasim Abbas. And so वो कुछ खपला करते हैं family में, like, and then he somehow gets hold of a plot. और उस plot की वजह से like the 2 brothers are not talking to her, to Tehzeeb. So Tehzeeb lives next door, but like they don't keep in touch. And then Tehzeeb has a son, Tehzeeb and Wasim Abbas, like, Sabah Hamid, they have a son, Osama, and his name is Salis, okay? So, and then Babar Ali gets married again, and he has another child, a boy, and his other brother is also married, and he has 2 kids, Adil Hussain, and the girl's name is Shifa. Okay? So, and then, Ushna is Wafa, who is Babar Ali's daughter, who he had thrown out of the house, like from his first wife. So what happens is like, so she's living with her stepdad her whole life, and her mom and stepdad have 2 more kids, but like in a plane accident she dies like all of a sudden, and then like तो वहाँ पे भी एक evil puppo होती है. So she tells her stepdad or Ushna's stepdad कि ये हमारी responsibility नहीं है अब, like her mom's died, so send her back to her dad. So he calls Babar Ali and says, like, apni amanat de jao, and then Wafa comes home to their house to live. So here, like, she meets Adil Hussain, who's like a crazy person who's always like in an angry mode, like Shaki kind of guy.
Adil Hussain,
but he starts like
Adil Hussain किसका?
Adil Hussain, Babar Ali के भाई का.
अच्छा, okay. Cousin है उसका, उष्णा का एक तरह से.
हाँ, cousin. So
the family chart.
And Tehreem had never been married anymore. Okay, so she's been living in that house, and Dada Dadi are also there. So Adil Hussain starts liking Ushna, and Osama like sees Wafa somewhere, no Shifa, and they start liking each other. Lekin what happens is Osama's name is Salis. So Salis and Shifa like kind of like start meeting outside, and one time they go outside to the movie theater. वहाँ पे Adil भी आ जाता है, and then what happens is when they come home, Shifa says कि मैं नहीं थी, like they are the ones who are like together. I just went with them. So
मतलब
because
उष्णा को वो बुरा बना रही क्योंकि वो पहले से
under the
बेचारी
bus कर yeah, like she just throws them
पहले
under
से
the bus.
सिंड्रेला टाइप
हाँ. So basically what happens, like Adil Hussain had a gun in his hand too, right? वो बहुत ही like गुस्से वाला दिखाया है. So at that time, at that point, like when Shifa says that, then they ask, Ushna's name is Wafa. She says, no, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. It's like they were the ones who like each other, not me. So they asked Osama, and he said, no, like I like Ushna, but not like Shifa sahi keh rahi hai. Shifa ke saath kuch nahi hai mera. And then, so at that point, like Osama's mother comes in, Tehzeeb, and she's like, ये बात है तो मैं शादी कर लूंगी इससे. मैं अपने बेटे की शादी कर दूंगी.
तहसीब शादी कर लेगी. मैं परेशान हो गया 1 मिनट के लिए.
So at that, so basically foreign nikah kar dete, and then Salis could not say no because he had already like said ke it was me and Wafa.
So Salis is married to Ushna now.
Yes.
Okay, but he liked the other girl. Her name is Shifa.
Yes, and like Wafa. Yes.
और ये सारा एक ही घर में चल रहा है.
Well, next door भी है, but yeah, everything is in the house.
सारा वाह क्या बात.
So it's like hilarious because okay, so after the shadi, like Salis just walks into the house with Ushna like walking behind him, and he just comes in और लेट जाता है, सो जाता है. As if like nothing happened. And then he wakes up in the morning, and then his dad was on a business trip. Wasim Abbas is really like shown as a really angry father. So he just comes and like he finds out that his son is married, and he just kicks him out of the house because they had the issue with his plot ka kuch chakkar wakkar tha. So they have this enmity like already. So he's like
बेटे को क्यों निकाल दिया उसने बाहर.
उसने कहा कि because of what happened was that कहती है कि my son, like your son liked her, that's why मैंने शादी कर ली. That he says कि तुमने like इस character, इसकी माँ का character बहुत खराब था, तो इसको यहाँ क्यों ले आई. इसका बाप भी अपने पास नहीं रखना चाहता. And then so he starts like he kind of like starts to abuse her, the girl, or Tehzeeb, and then Salis stops him. So that's why like he just slaps Salis and like kicks him out of the house.
Salis is like Mustafa.
Yes. And then when he works with his dad, but like never does anything in the business. Chata hai, but so he goes out, and then like so basically like he goes to he goes to a hotel. He takes her to a hotel. Then he enters and he's like, सामान रखा, and then he's like, चलो कहीं खाने चलते हैं.
वो तो चलो सही है ना यार, वो तो ठीक है ना, वो खाना.
She's like, the girl like crying like, चलो कहीं खाने चलते हैं.
ये लापरवाह किस्म का दिखाया उसको.
हाँ.
But he has feelings for the other girl.
Yes, and then he's like, and then she's like, like, don't you feel like you're not married to that girl? And he's like, yeah, मैंने भी मोहब्बत अपनी खोई है, लेकिन मैं तुम्हारी तरह ऐसे तो act नहीं कर सकता. It's a practical guy.
Sanjibir Asim is not a bad writer, but मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा है कि इतनी खिचड़ी क्यों पका दी इस तरह का. मेरे ख्याल से आजकल थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है अच्छी राइटिंग का, और I don't know, इतनी खिचड़ी पकाने की क्या.
Shows. Yes. She's not the best of her writers. Like some of her shows are really bad.
इन्हें इतना लिख के तो आई. अच्छा अब मैं समझा संजीबिर आसिम का चक्कर, मुझे अब समझ में आ गया. Do you guys know about this old veteran writer? His name is Syed Mohammed Ahmed.
Right, he's a really good writer. He wrote the drama with Sajjal Ali and
yes.
That Foundation. What is the Unkahi?
Unkahi, है ना?
God. Too, right? He acts.
He's a good.
Yeah. He was in the Dil now. He was yeah.
वो जी हैं उसके अंदर. So I saw his interview lately. मैंने अभी उनका वो TV show, मतलब इंटरव्यू देखा था ताबिश हाशमी के शो पे. And he was so disheartened and he was so disappointed and he said कि यार अब अच्छी राइटिंग की कोई जगह बची नहीं है, राइटर्स को मर जाना चाहिए क्योंकि जो pieces हैं. He said that he was very angry and he said that कि मैंने राइटिंग छोड़ दिया. बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट कि अब जिस तरह की डिमांड्स आती हैं प्रोड्यूसर्स की तरफ से, मीडिया हाउसेस की तरफ से, वो हम फुलफिल नहीं कर सकते, और जो राइटिंग हम लेके जाते हैं अब उनके पास, वो भी उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते. मतलब दे आर लाइक दे जस्ट थ्रो इट. और ही वाज आल्सो सो डिसअपॉइंटेड कि यार यहाँ तक अब होने लगा है कि मैंने एक आइडिया पिच किया एक राइटर को, एक मीडिया हाउस वाले को, और मैंने उससे कहा कि बेसिक स्टोरी ये रहेगी एंड देन वील हैव कैरेक्टर्स एंड ऑल दैट. तो प्रोड्यूसर ने कहा कि नहीं, मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा, इसको थोड़ा सा मसाला बनाए, इसमें ये सब डालें. तो ही सेड कि नहीं, मैं नहीं लिख सकता इस तरह की स्टोरी. एंड देन he said that on the show that after 6 months I saw the same idea being turned into a story from the same media house and the same production company, and with that added masala and with that
Oh my God, really?
so he was so disappointed. So I think Zanjabil Asim भी इसी तरह के ड्रामे लिखने लगी हैं कि बस जो बिक रहा है बस वो वही करो. तो this is a little bit.
No, you know, she actually came on Amna's, I think something hot fish. She came and said like, yeah, like there are a lot of the times when I have like 30 episodes and they'll tell me like add karo.
नहीं, Zanjabil थी वो या अभी जो recently आया आमने के शो पे?
This was like after, like maybe a couple months ago.
अच्छा, अभी
After May, I think.
अच्छा.
After May, huh?
हाँ, तो बस वही है, बस लगे में वो, तो ये सब तो होगा I guess.
The thing is, she has got so many scripts on the floor right now. I wonder if she's actually writing all of them. Because if you see the story of Noor Jahan, the treatment is so different than May, for example. And even the way her character sketches for Noor Jahan were different than the character sketches she did for May, and so on and so forth. So you feel like वो अकेले तो impossible है उसके लिए इतने सारे scripts लिखना.
ये टीम होती है अब तो इनकी टीम होती है, हेड ऑफ कंटेंट होता है. I happen to know a couple of guys who are in the industry जो हेड ऑफ कंटेंट रहे हैं, तो वो स्टोरी कंसीव करते हैं, फिर वो लेके जाते हैं, तो इस तरह से करते हैं. तो they have a whole team. They have like 3 or 4 guys in the script writing department as well. तो वो पकड़ा देते हैं.
I have stories too in my mind. I have a few stories too in my mind that are really good. That are really good stories.
You can be good writer.
But you
can be a writer.
Really?
मतलब हाँ, it's not something that's कि आप नहीं कर सकती. I know I myself know two writers. Both of them live in Canada, and they wrote a story and it got turned into a drama and it was on air by. नाम याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे उस ड्रामे का, काफी पुराना था, कुछ करके नाम था उसका. But it was a comedy drama. And then there is this guy Syed Zain Raza. He lives in Canada and he writes dramas for Pakistani TV. And then there is Samira Fazal. She lives in Canada.
She does? Samira Fazal? Really?
हाँ, she lives in Canada. She's from Canada.
She's Canadian.
अब हो गई है मतलब immigration.
Oh, acha. Like mine is like really like a really good, like the story that I have in my mind is very progressive.
अच्छा.
Like very good. Yeah.
Sana, we need a good medicine-oriented story, man.
Oh, God. No, this is like FBI related.
We had that Yaqeen Ka Safar. That was good.
But I did not like him.
उसमें तो Ahad Raza Mir, wrote to stardom. वो तो उसकी एंट्री थी Ahad Raza Mir की. And I think it was written by Farhat Ishtaq, है ना?
Yeah.
Farhat Ishtaq अच्छे ड्रामे लिखती हैं यार, बहुत प्यारे ड्रामे लिखती हैं.
बहुत अच्छे लिखते हैं. ये वाला barring Sharjina, everything else is fine.
नहीं, देखो यार, ये सनी है तो आपका पर्सपेक्टिव है ना, आपका पर्सपेक्टिव है या मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव है या सना का पर्सपेक्टिव है, लेकिन अभी भी मतलब बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको पसंद आ रहा है, और जो हमारा हो सकता है जो पॉडकास्ट सुन रहे हो उनमें से भी बहुत सारे एग्री नहीं करेंगे हमसे कि शर्जीना इज परफेक्ट. दे वुड जस्टिफाई शर्जीना. तो हर किसी का अपना अपना पर्सपेक्टिव है.
That's true. Agreed.
Yeah, true.
So is Gator a must watch?
I like it. I mean, I think it's like better than Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum.
ना करो यार, उससे मत कंपेयर करो. मुझे गैर जो है ना वो लग रहा है जो गिल्टी प्लेजर होते हैं ना आपके.
I mean, it's really good.
So you can just watch out the characters, man.
No, it's fun. It's not. No, it's not. It's not that bad actually. It's really good. And then it's gonna be like a love story. Like I like this character, the character Salis, because like it's gonna be like a character arc for him. I think like it's gonna be like, and I'm looking forward to like his interactions with Ushna and things like that. So.
चलो,
Yeah.
ठीक है. चलो, मेरे आपके लिए गैर is better than कभी मैं कभी तुम, but again
I mean, no, Kabhi Tum is good. Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum is good, but like,
भाई यार आप लोग अपने इंडियन फ्रेंड्स से नहीं फीडबैक लेते इंडिया?
okay, listen to me. So basically, like, I was in Seattle, right, last weekend. So the only drama that I watched was Ghair. I could have watched something else too. I could have watched like Dunyapur ki episodes, anything. But I was like, you know what, Ghair hai, I'm gonna watch it. Which means that like there's something in it that attracted me.
मैं तो अगर मैं देखता तो मैं उष्णा शाह की वजह से देखता, अगर देखता।
मैं तो Osama Khan.
आपका उसामा, उनका समीर खान, मेरे उष्णा शाह।
I was thinking Adil, but I would have watched it for Adil.
Adil ka the character, I don't like his character in the drama.
Yeah, from what you just told me, I guess.
Yeah. But like, but Osama's character is really good. Yeah.
And yeah, he usually picks good progressive roles, so I'm really surprised.
चलो
Yeah.
ठीक हो गया।
So I think it's gonna be like, you know, how they will fall in love basically.
चलो देखते हैं, आगे देखते हैं।
क्या यही होगा, right? और क्या होगा? And at the end it's gonna be like a happy ending.
वो फिर ड्रैग कितना करते हैं, कितना लंबा खींचते हैं, कहाँ लेके जाते हैं, वो तो
So yeah, so then you just kind of like, you know,
Can we really create the moments? I think with
the moments create karna hai na, that's the thing. And I saw some teasers and they were good. They have some good moments.
then it will work.
Yeah, so they just have to create those moments. See, like in Kabhi Tum, they could not create those moments.
नहीं करो यार सना।
See,
there were so many moments यार।
I don't remember them.
अच्छा I'll सबसे पहला मोमेंट, हाँ सबसे पहला मोमेंट ही देख लो जब वो शर्जीना गाड़ी मार के आ जाती है। And you know,
What was a good moment?
that was a good moment। वो शर्जीना गाड़ी मारती है and she's scared कि यार अभी अम्मी आएंगे और अम्मी ऐसी की तैसी कर देंगी कि मैंने गाड़ी मार दी है। और फहद मुस्तफा comes in and he says to his parents कि नहीं ये मैंने मारी है। You know, he takes the blame. That was such a nice।
ये सारी चीजें ना एक दोस्त के लिए कर सकता है, एक भाई बहन के लिए कर सकता है। तो वो टाइप के मोमेंट्स के बहुत सारे, वो जो
नहीं बारिश वाला मोमेंट भूल गए आप, जब वो नूडल्स बना के देते हैं
एक लौता उसके ऊपर
नहीं, बड़े मोमेंट्स है यार, बड़े डांस करता है जब वो उसके अंदर नहीं
लौता मोमेंट था। और एक
नहीं बड़े
वो
हाँ, और नहीं फिर वो हाँ, चलो जब तक उनको मोहब्बत नहीं थी तब तक, फिर वो मोमेंट नहीं था जब वो लैपटॉप वापस करने आता है और फिर जाते हैं आपस।
हम सफर देख लो, हम सफर
जिंदगी गुजार है
he looks at the woman was
सनी हम सफर से नहीं कंपेयर करें, उसमें जो फवाद खान ने जो एक्टिंग की थी ना, फवाद खान द वे ही एक्ट्स थ्रू हिज आईज, आप नहीं पकड़ सकते उसको।
No, I mean, Benny to hai dekh le. It has so many good moments.
great.
Oh my God, I'm like Ali Ansari. Really, like I'm just like in awe.
Ali Ansari is underrated. Ali Ansari is underrated.
So underrated. He is so underrated. Oh my God, that's what I said. I'm like, oh my, I'm a fan. I'm a fan girl. Can I talk to him?
He needs a Hum TV drama now in a lead role. क्योंकि Hum TV
He does. Oh my God, like in Dil Hi To Hai mein, he is so good.